Hi, this is my review and unboxing of Shari'S berries at berries.com. You can get gifts to send to people there where you can ship different varieties of chocolates and gifts, strawberries to people. It's basically similar to 1-800-Flowers.com, but for strawberries and chocolates. Alright, so here's the unboxing review of berries.com, Shari'S berries. I've already started opening the box. It comes in this giant insulated box with, these are ice packs. It looks like we got here the dipped strawberries and the dipped cheesecake trio. Okay, I already ate one, but this is what you can expect if you order the dipped strawberries. It looks really good and high quality. Comes in an insulated box as well. These berries will typically last between 3 and 5 days, depending on how well you store them. Here's the dipped cheesecake trio. This comes with 3 cheesecake, 2 vanilla and 1 chocolate. We're gonna talk about the quality, the price, how do they compare to other companies, and I thought the chocolate covered strawberries were high quality. I'd say there's probably better quality out there, so I'd probably give them like 4 stars out of 5. The only thing negative I have to say about it is the price seems, I guess for a delivery service similar to that, it's probably competitive in pricing, but I'd say it's like, makes a lot more sense to just have Postmates deliver some chocolate covered strawberries from Whole Foods. I think you can save a lot of money doing that over hiring one of these services, which, you know, they charge you a premium for like the high quality packaging, which you saw, the insulated packaging with the ice packs, and delivery, like expedited shipping. Obviously all that adds a lot to your cost, so I think to reduce the cost to the customer, it's better just to go somewhere locally and have them postmated. And I think Postmates cost like $7 for delivery. Anyway, that's what I recommend. And here's my mom. She's the one who received this chocolate covered strawberries and cheesecake as the gift, and then she was very generous to share it with me and Sharon. So what did you think about it?
Well, I thought everything was delicious. The strawberries were very fresh, and the cheesecake was delectable, one of the best cheesecakes I've ever had. The portions were a little small, but you only need a small portion to be satisfied, and I have a very sweet tooth.
By the way, those were regular cheesecake flavor with chocolate covered cheesecake, so there wasn't any vanilla cheesecake in there. Sharon, what did you think?
I didn't try the cheesecake because I'm vegan, so I try not to have that much dairy. The strawberries, I had them like 2 days after you guys received them, so I didn't feel like they were very fresh, but they were still good.
So would you say these strawberries last like maybe 3 days in the fridge, or how long would you say you gotta eat them within?
Yeah, I think 3 days is a good time.
Yeah, I think you should probably eat these within 3 days, ideally. So, all right, well, that's our review of Shari'S berries, berries.com. I hope this was helpful to you guys. If you liked the review, comment below and give us a thumbs up, please. And if you want to order from berries.com, this is not a sponsored review, by the way. We just started giving you our honest review and opinion of the service. So, but if you guys do want to try it out, then you can click the link below. That was it.